Greetings Sumolinks! The Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode plugin uses the new AppSumo licensing system. It's a much smoother experience for you because there are no more codes. No more copy-pasting codes, no more thinking about codes, no more thinking if you redeem the code or not. And the best thing is, you can now transfer your purchases to your AppSumo friends. Let's have a look how the new purchase and activation process looks like. Open the deal page and scroll down to plans. Obviously, we suggest getting the tier 3 because it gets you unlimited sites and all of the features we have. After clicking buy now, proceed to checkout and then make the payment. I'll be using my credits. That's it, you've made the purchase. Now go to view products and click the activate now button. Your AppSumo email will be pre-filled, but you can change that email for any other you like. Click Let's Activate and wait for a few seconds before you are redirected to the Coming Soon dashboard. On the dashboard, enter your name, pick a password, and accept the terms of service. That's it, you're all done. All of the important account information will be sent to your email for safekeeping.